Are you considering buying a new keyboard but unsure if the Yamaha YPT-380 is worth the extra money? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me when I started researching this product. It's not just another keyboard, but an entire learning system for musicians of all ages and skill levels. Therefore, let's take a closer look at whether it lives up to its promises. First, let's talk about the good stuff. The Yamaha YPT-380 is a 61-key portable keyboard that's perfect for beginners or seasoned musicians alike. It features 366 different voices, including piano, organ, and even some fun sounds like strings and drums. But what really sets it apart from other keyboards on the market is its built-in lesson system. This keyboard has 181 interactive lessons that cater to students of all ages and skill levels, covering topics from basic music theory to more advanced techniques. These lessons are designed by experienced music educators and include video tutorials and exercises to help you improve your skills. Therefore, if you're looking for a way to learn how to play the piano or other instruments without breaking the bank, this could be an excellent option. But here's the question, is it worth the extra money? I mean, sure, it's got some great features and a built-in lesson system, but what about the competition? Can't you find a similar keyboard for cheaper elsewhere? Therefore, let's dive deeper into the details to see if this product truly stands out from the rest. When it comes to sound quality, the Yamaha YPT-380 delivers. It has 366 different voices and 32-note polyphony, which means you can play complex chords without any issues. But what really impressed me was the keyboard's built-in amplifier system. This allows you to connect external speakers or headphones and enjoy your music without disturbing others. But I know some of you might be thinking, isn't this just a beginner's keyboard? And while it does have a simplified interface that makes it easy for new players to navigate, don't let that fool you. The Yamaha YPT-380 is capable of producing high-quality sounds and can even connect to your computer or tablet via USB. Therefore, if you're looking for an all-in-one learning system that won't break the bank, this could be an excellent choice. But what about durability? Is it built to last? From what I've gathered online, the Yamaha YPT-380 has a sturdy metal construction that can withstand regular use and even some rough handling. It's also relatively lightweight, making it easy to take with you on the go. But here's another question. How does it compare to other keyboards in its class? Can it keep up with more advanced players? According to Yamaha's website, the YPT-380 is designed for musicians of all ages and skill levels. However, if you're an experienced player looking for a new keyboard, there are some limitations. For example, the built-in lesson system can be a bit basic for more advanced players. Therefore, I'd say that this product is perfect for beginners or intermediate players who want to improve their skills without breaking the bank. But if you're an expert looking for a high-end keyboard with all the bells and whistles, you might want to look elsewhere. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what some other reviewers have said about the Yamaha YPT-380. I was blown away by the sound quality of this keyboard. It's perfect for beginners or experienced players alike. 5 stars. The built-in lesson system is really helpful, but I wish there were more advanced exercises available. 5 stars. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed keyboard that won't break the bank, the Yamaha YPT-380 could be an excellent choice. And with its affordable price point, it's worth considering even if you're on a tight budget. But here's one more thing to consider. Is the Yamaha YPT-380 worth the extra money? In other words, would you rather spend less and get a similar keyboard without all the bells and whistles? According to some online reviews, there are cheaper alternatives that offer similar features. However, when I compared prices on Amazon, I found that this product offers the best value for its price. Therefore, if you're looking for a quality keyboard with built-in lesson system at an affordable price point, I'd say it's worth considering the Yamaha YPT-380. And as always, be sure to check the prices and read reviews before making your final decision. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below.